this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram messages not working. So simply open Instagram, then click on your profile. In the top right corner, you will see this 3-line menu bar. Click on it. From here, scroll below. There you can find account status. Click on it. Here you might find features you can't use. Click on it. Sometimes if you have violated any community guidelines, then the feature might have been removed from your Instagram. If you can use all the features, now let's simply go back. Make sure that you're connected to stable Wi-Fi connection. Then what you can do is simply open up Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. Here, open Instagram and check if there is any update. If there are, then simply update your app. Once your app is updated, you can try relaunching the app. And if it is still not working, what you can do is simply click and hold on to Instagram. Then click on more features. Go to app info. After that, click on storage uses. Here you might find clear data and clear cache written in bright red. Make sure you click on clear cache. Once your cache is cleared, simply try reopening Instagram and it might have started working. If it is still not working, simply click and hold on to Instagram. Then click on uninstall. Confirm it. Go back to Play Store and download the app. And that's it. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.